Good morning guys! So, almusal muna tayo guys. Ito lang. Pupulin na natin ito. Nagugutom na ako. Walang kinikini. Now. Masarap. Obi. Hopya Obi. Kain na tayo. Hello guys, before tayo magtapos, shoutout muna tayo kay Irma Sabandal Villegas from Cebu, Leslie Diaz Lorino from Hong Kong, Kuya Rico Diaz Quintana from United Arab Emirates, kay GD Labinya from Tacloban City, Holland, Hopya in Binondo, and to my very supportive wife, Tina Leray Katso Almine. So maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Have a nice day. God bless.